Say hello to Rick. Rick works as a bandsaw welding technician in a company that provides bimetal bandsaw, wood bandsaw marketing, and bandsaw welding services. Rick's job is heavy, laboring, and time-consuming. Rick is obliged to repeat the following in the bandsaw welding process. For example, for a width of 34 millimeters, he first needs to set the parameter, then adjust the clamping pressure and upsetting pressure with the air regulator. He determines a jaw gap for the bandsaw width and the number of treads and checks the jaw gap dimensions. Rick then needs to make a burr switch adjustment for the stop point of the bandsaw welding. Finally, he can start the welding process after adjusting the transformer welding stage and bringing the saws to be welded in front of the machine. We said final, but it is obviously not. If Rick's boss orders two 41mm saws to be welded in the middle of the welding process of 50 pieces of 34mm bandsaws, that's when everything starts from the beginning for Rick. Rick needs to readjust all the parameters this time for two 41mm bandsaws. He's not done yet. There is more. After he finishes welding two 41mm saws, Rick needs to readjust all bandsaw welding parameters in order to finish the welding of the 34mm bandsaws that were previously ordered but paused. Yes, you heard it right. Rick has to do all these things that we get tired of even while listening as a part of his daily work routine. We were about to say he has no other choice, but a newly developed PLC bandsaw welding machine with QR and line barcode reader by Timmelson Machinery has come to our rescue. In the presence of the PLC Pro bandsaw welding machine, during the installation, all parameters Rick needs in the workplace are processed on the PLC screen of the machine. Thus, Rick can scan the QR or line barcode for whatever bill of material he needs and immediately adjust the relevant parameters. Thanks to all these processes, which are handled with 99.9% accuracy, the only thing Rick has to do now is to tighten the bandsaws to be welded, place them in their jaws correctly, and then make all adjustments automatically with a single touch. Please contact us now to meet the new PLC Pro bandsaw welding machine developed by Timmelson Machinery.